Good morning, students. Today we will discuss DOE Worksheet 15, Schedule 7 August 2020, which has been taken from your chapter Acid, Base and Salts. And in continuation of your previous worksheet, the compounds from NaCl, today we will discuss POP. POP stands for plaster of Paris, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Okay, it is obtained by the gypsum. When we heat gypsum, the formula of gypsum is CaSO4 into 2 molecules of water. When we heat this at 373 Kelvin temperature, it will convert it into POP, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4 into half molecule of water, right? So the molecule of water actually in this case evaporate. See, these two molecules and half is left. 1.5 molecule evaporate to form plaster of Paris. Properties of plaster of Paris, as it is white powder, and mixing of water into the powder of plaster of Paris changes again into gypsum, but it is exothermic in nature. This reaction is exothermic in nature, means if we add water in plaster of Paris, see this water in plaster of Paris, we will get again gypsum, right? And this reaction is exothermic in nature. Okay, so some uses of plaster of Paris. It is used in the medical treatment. It is used to cover the plaster in case of fractured bone. You have seen in the orthopedics clinics that if some patient usually have a fracture in any bone, they used to get the treatment with this plaster of Paris. They have a plaster on their bone, and the material used in that case is plaster of Paris. It is used for making beautiful and designer false ceiling and other room interior. Plaster of Paris is also used for the false ceiling and other room interiors. It is used in making toys and other decorative material. It is also used in casting into clay models. So this is all about the uses of plaster of Paris, and this was the last compound in that series of compounds from NaCl. Student, a very small topic is left. Are the crystals of salt really dry? No, they are not dry. They have few molecules of water. The crystals of salts appear dry, but many salts contain some water molecules. The fixed number of water molecules in one formula unit, beta, must remember this is the definition of water of crystallization, right? The fixed number of water molecule in one formula unit of salt is known as water of crystallization. Means this is the water molecule required to form the crystal of that particular salt. The salt that contain water molecule are known as hydrated salt. Students, this is very important. What is hydrated salt? Hydrated salt means the salt which contain the water. For example, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is a copper sulfate salt. When it is converted into crystals form, the crystals of copper sulfate appear blue, very beautiful color, blue because of it contain 5 molecules of water, and this is the cause of chemical formula of copper sulfate, copper CuSO4 into 5 molecules of water. When crystals of copper sulfate is heated, it loses its water molecule and its color become white. When you heat this copper sulfate, it loses its water because of heating, but natural, and it is converted into white powder, white color substance, that is, its color has been changed to white. Okay, but when the water is added to the anhydrous copper, this is called anhydrous copper, and when water is again added to it, it is again converted into blue color. Okay, student, here's the example of few crystals, few salts, their color and their formula, right? Like copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is blue in color. Chemical formula CuSO4 into 5 molecules of water. Ferrous sulfate is green in color. FeSO4 into 7 molecules of water. Sodium carbonate, washing soda, white in color. Formula Na2CO3 into 10 molecules of water. Gypsum, white in color, and calcium with the formula of CaSO4 into 2 molecules of water. Okay, we have now a practice exercise. First, we have what is the full form of POP, and right, it's 3 uses. Beta full form of POP is there, plaster of Paris, and 3 uses. You can write any one of 3 uses, like it is used for the fractured bone, making beautiful and designer falls ceiling and room interiors, make used for making toys and other decorative materials. Okay, define the term water of crystallization with one example. Students, see, this is the definition of water of crystallization, as I discussed earlier also. The fixed number of water molecules in one formula unit of a salt is known as water of crystallization. An example is copper sulfate. You can write one example, copper sulfate. Okay, you can write any one of maybe. So copper sulfate has 5 units, 5 molecules of water, like ferrous sulfate has 7, sodium carbonate is 10, and gypsum has 2. Any one of you can write. Next, how the plaster of Paris is obtained from gypsum. Plaster of Paris is obtained from the gypsum. You can write this in this way. CaSO4 into 2 molecules of water. When you heat it at 373 Kelvin, we have calcium sulfate hemihydrate, half molecules of water. Okay, half molecule of water. So this is the form, this is the equation how we will get plaster of Paris from gypsum. Fourth question we have, what happened when crystalline copper sulfate is heated? Beta, it loses its water molecule and converted into white color. And write the color of the new. Again, I told you it's in white color. Next, write the name and the formula of any 3 hydrated salt. Beta, you can write any 3, whether it's a copper sulfate, ferrous sulfate, sodium carbonate, or gypsum. Any 3 you can write, okay, with their chemical formula. So student, this is all about your worksheet 15. Hope you understand it very well, you liked it, and definitely if you like it, so share it also. If you liked, then so share it with your friends, and definitely subscribe to get the notification as early as possible. Okay, without wasting the time, perform your worksheet, but don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, student.